What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you one of my favorite coin tricks known as the French drop. Let's get into it. You're going to start by holding the coin in your non-dominant hand between two fingers like this. Then, as you go to grab it, you're going to, as the name implies, drop it into your hand. Now, of course, the person you're showing this to isn't going to be able to see it because the drop is going to be covered by your fingers like this. So if you turn it sideways, you'll go up to grab it, cover it up, and then drop it. But continue the motion as if you're going to grab it. In order to pull this off convincingly, you don't want to go like this and then grip your hand as if you're holding something in it. Just hold your hand kind of loose, but in a way that the audience won't be able to see that the coin is still in your hand. Also remember, don't look at the hand that the coin is actually in. The people who are watching you will watch where your eyes go. So if you pretend to grab it and you're looking in this hand, that's where they're going to be looking. They're not going to be looking at this hand that has the coin safely in it. Practice this in front of a mirror so it looks convincing. You want it to look the same as if when you actually do grab it to when you don't grab it. So you could just use this trick to make something disappear. Or you could use it to make it go through something. So for example, you can make it go through a table, you can make it go through a door. So if you're showing a little kid, you could do it and then have it pretend like it goes in one ear and comes out the other ear. You could also do it to your own ears, like this. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like down below and hit subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. And as always, don't be boring.